Smartsheet uses a structured permission system to control who can access and modify your sheets. Understanding these permissions is essential for effective team collaboration and data security. Smartsheet operates on a four-tier permission model. Each level provides different capabilities and access rights. This comprehensive chart shows exactly what each permission level can do. Owners have complete control, including deletion rights, while admins can manage users and structure but cannot delete sheets. There are three primary ways to add team members to your Smartsheet: direct email invitations, link sharing, and bulk import via CSV upload. Here's what a typical email invitation looks like. Recipients receive a clear invitation with an accept button and expiration date for security. For bulk additions, the CSV upload interface allows administrators to add multiple team members efficiently. This is particularly useful for large organizations. As of 2025, Smartsheet offers enhanced permission granularity. Administrators can now set specific access levels for individual columns, rows, and attachments, providing unprecedented control over data access. Understanding the difference between workspace and sheet-level permissions is crucial. Workspace permissions cascade down to all contained sheets unless specifically overridden at the individual sheet level. The admin console now features full mobile capabilities, allowing administrators to manage permissions and users in real time from anywhere. This streamlined interface makes user management more accessible than ever. When adding team members, you'll typically use the Share dialog to set appropriate permission levels. Consider your organization's security needs and choose between workspace-level permissions for broad access or sheet-level permissions for granular control. To invite users to your Smartsheet, start by navigating to the sheet or workspace you want to share. Look for the Share button in the top toolbar. Click the Share button to invite new users via their email addresses. You'll need to select the appropriate permission level for each user: admin, editor, or viewer. For large teams, use the bulk import feature. Prepare a CSV file with user email addresses and their assigned permission levels. Then upload it to Smartsheet for efficient team management. After inviting users, enable two-factor authentication for all admin accounts. This adds an essential security layer by requiring both a password and a mobile verification code. Regularly audit user permissions to maintain security. Quarterly reviews are recommended to identify permission creep and ensure users have appropriate access levels for their current roles. Smartsheet's improved user management dashboard provides a centralized view of all user access and activity. Use this dashboard to monitor user engagement, track permission changes, and maintain oversight of your workspace security. Following these steps ensures secure and efficient user management in Smartsheet. Remember to use appropriate permission levels, enable two-factor authentication for admins, and conduct regular audits to maintain optimal security.